Techno Laboratories, OPC Private Limited. Today we are going to continue with the differentiation, and today we will do differentiation in trigonometric, like with trigonometric functions. Okay, so we are just going to understand it very simply, and so that because it is very important, like for people who are doing quantum physics, quantum mathematics, quantum computing also. So it is extremely important. Okay, so we are going to understand it in a very simple way, very easy way. So because because understanding it is important. Okay, the applications and all we'll do in the later videos. So the topic for today is, I think the mic is also on. Yeah. The topic for today is trigonometric differentiation. The topic for today is trigonometric differentiation. So this is a spelling. I hope you guys know it already. So the first trigonometric function that we'll discuss over here is sine theta. Okay. Now whenever a question comes like find the d by dx or find the derivative of sine theta. So the derivative of sine theta is cos theta. So the derivative of sine theta is cos theta. So you can just have a look. Just please note it down. Okay, in a small, maybe a notebook or a capital copy. Capital copy, those 5 rupees copy which you should fill up every day if you want to become good. Okay, so the second one is cos. So differential, like the derivative of cos theta is negative sine theta. Now why it is negative sine theta, that we'll do when we do, like when we become more good in differentiation, when you do second order differentiation and parametric functions and all, then we will learn why this is minus sign. So for now we need to know this trigonometric differentiation basic. So d by dx, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, so just don't mismatch if this is this, then this is, don't just compare these two. Okay, like it will be wrong. So anyways, this is for sin theta and cos theta. Now we come to tan theta. Sec square theta. So like whenever a question comes, find the derivative of an equation with a tan theta, then the derivative of tan will always be sec square theta. Okay, so this is how like we do it. So these are the 3 ones. So now we'll just do some basic questions on it, and then we'll go to like cot, cosec and sec. So just please have a look and note it down, and any doubts you can just leave it in the comment section below, and we will get back to you on email IDs. And one more important update, we are launching a course on deep learning, and which will include topics like perceptrons and neural network. So please stay tuned and press on the bell icon to receive the content. Okay, now I hope you have all noted it down. So now I'll just rub it, like I'll write it on the side. Okay, so that you like you can get some help, don't face any issue while solving the equations. Now very simple, and just remember the product rules, the product, power and the quotient rule that we did, these 3 will also be implied in this. So if you haven't watched that video, the link is given in the description below. Please watch it, because those 3 rules are the basic fundamental rules which will apply in all forms of differentiation. Okay, now our question is, like I'll just write a question over here. Okay, just give me a second please. Yeah, I'll just write a question over here. So the question can be, find the derivative d by dx of sine 5x. Like we are going to understand it in a very simple mode. So there will be many complex questions, so in the later videos, because first we need to understand it. Yeah, So find the derivative of sine 5x. So you know the d by dx of, like, first let's see the d by dx of sine x. So the d by dx of, like, the derivative of sine x is cos x. Okay, like we have already learned that. So now we know the derivative of sin x is cos x. So now we need to find the derivative of this 5x. So how we'll write the answer, that also I tell you. What you need to do is just separate this sign from this 5x. Find the derivative of sine, that you already know. It is cos x. Like it is cos, like x. So you can write in the final answer. The derivative of this 5x is, you remember the power rule. We'll apply the power rule over here. So the d by dx of 5x is 1 multiplied by 5. Okay, x 1 minus 1. So it becomes 0, x to the power 0, 1. So it is 5. Okay, so now how will we write the answer? We will write it like this: 5 sine 5x, है ना. तो दोस्तों यार, ये जो आंसर लिखा है इस पे टीचर को मैं थूक के मार्क्स देगा, है ना. हाउ बिल, ये मतलब कोई तुम्हें फेल नहीं कर सकता इस आंसर के लिए. तो एनीवेज, let's do another question, and just before I just drop it, just please have a look. Any doubt, just leave it in the comment section, and please get back to the mail. Everything in the description below, link in the description. I hope you have noted it down. Oh, that's really wonderful. Okay. Now we will do the differentiation for cos, sine, or I mean cos and tan. Okay. Now for cos theta, you know the derivative d by dx of cos theta is negative sine theta. So this is the derivative of cos theta, which is negative sine theta. Now what we do is, suppose of the same procedure, nothing very difficult. Suppose if the question come key. Okay, just before that, just please note it down. Before that, just rub it. Okay, so what I'll do is, because many people I know will be eager to be solving the question, so I'll just rub it and write it on the side for reference. So here I have written the d by dx, that means the derivative of cos is negative sine. Derivative of cos is negative sine. Okay. Now I have a question key. Find d by dx of, say suppose, cos 5x cube plus 8x plus 1 के आगे इतने zeros. Okay. So now don't be scared with this question. It is extremely simple. Just you have to do is just separate this cos and separate this entire equation and find their derivative separately. Okay. What did I say? Find the derivative separately. Now what you have to do is find the derivative of this cos, which is negative sine. So just write over here negative sine. Okay, negative sine. Just leave it alone. So you have written negative sign. Now in this you will apply the power rule. Okay, so it is 3 multiplied by 5, 15x, 3 minus 1. Okay, like it is nx to the power n minus 1. Na? So all these three quantities will get multiplied, and this 3 minus 1. Okay, and this is the same thing, 1 multiplied by 8 because the power is 1, and then 1 minus 1 0, so it becomes 8. So plus 8. And as I told you, a constant का कभी differentiation नहीं हो सकता, so this whole thing will become 0. Okay, so now we will just solve it further. So it becomes like this: negative sine, okay, 15x square, first we'll write it, plus 8. So this is the thing. So now how we will write it, I'll just tell you. Just write the 15x square plus 8, okay, in bracket, then write negative sign, okay, just write this 15x square plus 8 in bracket, then write negative sign and write this equation 5x cube plus 18x plus whatever the quantity is. So you will get full marks on this. Okay, so this is how it is done. So this is very easy. Now I'll just rub it and please just copy this. I know, like you can pause the video and copy this. Okay. So just giving some time. Any doubt you can leave it in the comment section below. So for now we have done this. So I will just rub it. So now we are going to do the differentiation of tan theta. So tan theta is my favorite ratio, like favorite trigonometric function. Okay. So now let's do the differentiation of tan. Now whenever a question comes, find the differentiation of tan. So the derivative of tan will be like the d by dx of tan will be tan theta, tan x, tan alpha, tan gamma, whatever. So the differentiation of tan is sec square, whatever, theta, alpha, beta, gamma, whatever. Okay, so this is the basic rule. Any question of tan differentiation can be solved with this small rule. Okay, so this, please note this down. Okay, so just note it down and we will like then continue. So I hope you have all noted it down. So now what I'll do is I'll just rub it and solve 2-3 questions and then the rest will like I'll write it on the side for reference. So now I've rubbed it. So now we'll go back to the question. So first I'll write over here. Sorry. Yeah. The differentiation, that means the d upon dx. Okay, I hope you can all see it. Alright, I think this markers not working. So what I do is I'll just switch the markers. Yeah. Suppose if you have a question, find the derivative of tan 5x plus 3. No need to be afraid. Just separate this tan, separate this 5x plus 3. Okay. So d by dx of tan theta or tan whatever is sec square whatever. Okay, now we'll find the derivative of this. So the derivative of 5x plus 3 is 5 because constant cannot be differentiated. Okay, so it will be 5 because it is an x quantity. So 1 minus 1 0, x to the power 0 1, 5 into 1 5. So it will be 5. Okay, so I'll just directly write a 5. Now how you need to write it, I'll tell you. I'll write over here. So the derivative you will write first. So 5 tan 5x plus 3. Oh, sorry. 5 sec square 5x plus 3. This is how you write the final answer. So the teacher will give you marks blindly. Okay. So just please have a look at this question. How we have done this. This is the format of the final answer. So I hope you have all seen this video. I hope you have just observed this answer and you have noted down somewhere. So now we'll continue with the other 3. Okay. Okay. Now guys, the other 3 differentiation are called cosec and sec. So now what you will do is very simple. Okay. Now I'll just write the differentiation directly. The derivative of cot, let's take a variable theta, okay, minus cosec square theta. This is the derivative, the d by dx of, watch carefully, yeah, sec theta is tan theta sec theta. Okay, now please watch very carefully. Now the d by dx of, what is the last one? Cosec. The d by dx of cosec theta is, this is the easiest one. So I'll just write it over here. Yeah, I have to just bend a bit. Okay, so the d by dx is minus cot x cosec x. Like if you take a variable x. So these are the differentiation of the remaining three functions. Just have a look at them, okay? And we have done sine, cos, and tan. So these three functions we'll do in the next video, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to Techno Laboratories OPC Private Limited. Thank you.